home? Did you have a busy day at work? Bye-bye. Emily works? You gonna drive in your car to work? Vroom. Bye-bye. You're home! Yay! You're in the car? Where are you going? What are these? Off? It's okay, honey, it's just a truck. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day at work. You gonna blow mommy a kiss before you go to work? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, gorgeous. Oh, you're home? Yeah? How was work? You gotta go? Go to work? Home. Who's home? Emily. Where are you going? Who's that? Beep beep, Libby. I gotta go to work.